Alright guys, in this video what we're gonna learn is how to define a table. Okay, the first thing is your table. You have to write your table tag and then have to define your width, that is equals to 50. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly close all these windows. Now I'm gonna execute this string. So Control Alt Shift Internet Explorer is gonna open and run this thing. Control or Shift I is the short key for running directly if you're not bothering to hit run and then launch an explorer. Okay, so first name, last name, and age. See, your table header starts from this th tag. Okay, first you're gonna have your table row tag, and what this is gonna do is it's gonna define and inside this tag what you can do is table header, and by default it's bold, first name, last name, and age. Okay, I've changed this a little bit to one of my own, so I'm gonna just save this thing and Control or Shift I. Now it's gonna come. Okay, Talha Ahmed Elon Musk, age 22, 55. Now if I gotta add one more record to this, so I'm gonna add Control copy, Control V, Jack Ma, and the age is 57. Control save all, Control Shift I and C. There you go. So your table row, in this tag you can define your table header, first name, last name, or however many values you like. And another thing I want to mention, if you want to increase or decrease the width, look here, I'm going to increase the width to 100. Okay, see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hit Control S or Control Shift I and see the width changes. What if I change this thing to 30? So or Control Shift I, hold on, I forgot to save. Control S or Control Shift I, see this thing has been done. Okay, so that was your quick video about tables.